Next video, I continue exercise number 1.12. Just I started the new exercise 1.12. I complete all the exercise and example sums for in the last following videos. Now listen. Now in exercise number 1.2, find the rank of the following matrices by minor method. Now this is the new concept for you. Find the rank. We are going to find the rank of the matrices by using what method? Minor method. See the question, refer the question for your book. Question is what is here having the 5 subdivisions given. I am going to teach each and every sum. What is the question given? 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. Let the given question is taken as what? A equal to 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. This is a square matrix. Square matrix, what is the order? 2 by 2. So how to find the rank? Listen carefully. See the question. First we write the question. After see the order. Order is what? 2 row, 2 column. Therefore, if the order of the matrix is first we write in the order 2 by 2. Which is the smallest number here? 2 is the smallest. Both are having 2. So among the 2 we take 1 2 because having small number means take the rank is 2. So easily consider as the rank. The rank. See the symbol. Rank is nothing but what? Like that row. Rank of A is less than or equal to 2. Now from this order easily able to find the rank just now either 2 or less than or equal to 2. What is the how to find the rank? Consider the 2 by 2 matrix. Here how to say this one? 2 by 2 minor or second order minor. First you find the determinant. Find the value for determinant. Find the rank. First find the determinant. The determinants what? 2 2s are 4. 1 4 is 4. Plus, minus into minus plus 4. Plus 4 become minus 4. Downward arrow mark. Minus upward arrow mark. So 2 2s are 4, 1 4 is 4, minus 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. If the determinant value is 0 means rank is not equal to 2. So consider another determinant. How to find the rank? See, if you want to find the rank of the matrices, taking the square matrix 2 by 2 order or 3 by 3 order. Here the question itself given the 2 by 2 matrix. So we first find the determinant for 2 by 2 minor. So if the answer determinant value is 0 means we are unable to, if the rank is what? Not equal to 2. So afterwards, suppose if the rank 4 minus 4 equal to 0, instead of 0, having someone constant number is coming means the rank is what? 2. But the determinant value is 0 means we are unable to find the what? We are unable to find the 2 by 2 minor rank. We are unable to find the rank. So come to the, consider the 1 by 1 minor. 1 by 1 minor is what? Here having only 1 2 by 2 matrix. Only 2 by 2 minor is only given. So coming answer is 0. So we are unable to find the matrices. Next we come to the only one element, only one determinant. Consider the 1 by 1 minor. 1 by 1 take any one of the number. Here having only one number is coming. So the number is what? Not equal to 0. If the determinant value is 0 means there is no rank. The determinant value is not equal to 0. Which one is not equal to 0? The 1 by 1 minor is considered. The rank is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of the matrix is nothing but what? Rank A equal to 1. So similarly I will teach the next sum. You understand very easily. See, come to the next sum. What is the next sum? What is the question? Minus 1, 3, 4 minus 7, 3 minus 4. Let A equal to, write the question. See the order. How many rows? 3 rows, 2 columns. This is what? 3 cross 2. What is the order? Order of the matrix is 3 row, 2 column. Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number. Therefore, what is the rank? Rank is either 2 or less than or equal to 2. What is the rank of A is what? Less than or equal to 2. So, among the 3 by 2 matrices, we take one of the minor. Take 2 by 2 minor. Consider the square matrix 2 by 2 minor. See, in this matrices, we take a square matrix. Square matrix 2 by 2 minor. Consider the 2 by 2 minor. What is mean by 2 by 2 minor? 2 by 2 minor is nothing but a 2 row, 2 column. You take any this box or minus 1, 3, 4 minus 7 or 4 minus 7, 3 minus 4 or minus 1, 3, 3 minus 4. Either any of the 2 by 2 minus you take down. So determinant value is what? See, write it. I will take the first minus 1, 3, 4 minus 7. So 1 7 is what? 7. 4 3s are what? 12 minus 12. So we get the answer what? Minus 5. That minus 5 is not equal to 0. If the value becomes 0 means we are come to the next 2 by 2 minor. Here the first determinant is always not equal to 0. The first determinant become not equal to 0. So which minor is not equal to 2 by 2 minor is not equal to 0. Therefore what is the rank? Rank is nothing but what? 2. This is this method to find the minor method to find the rank. First part, see the third subdivision. Now let the question is taken as A. A is what? 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 6, minus 3, 1. See what is how many rows? First row, second row. Therefore, how many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? C1, C2, C3, C4. 4. So what is the order of the matrix? A 2 by 4 matrix. This is the order is a 2 row, 4 columns. Which is the smallest number? 2. Therefore, easily we understand the rank is what? Either 2 or less than or equal to 2. What is the first step we are going to find? First you write the what is the question given? That question taken as A equal to. Afterwards write the order of the matrix. First always write the row. Next is write the column. Row and the column. So order is always studied in the 10th standard. Order is nothing but what? 2 row, 4 columns. First you write the row, next you write the row. Therefore 2 row, 4 columns. Which one is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. The rank is nothing but what? Rank is less than or equal to 2. Now here among the question take 2 by 2 minor. Consider the 2 by 2 minor. You take any one of the 2 by 2 minor among the things. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 6. I will take the first 2 by 2 minor I take. What is the determinant? For the 2 by 2, take the 2 by 2 minor. You find the determinant. We find the determinant for that minor. So determinant of A equal to 1 minus 2, 3 minus 6. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 6. What happened? See that one, downward minus upward. What is the downward? 1 6 is minus 6. 3 2s are minus 6. Already having 1 minus and minus into minus of plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So we are unable to find the this is the answer. Determinant value is 0 means what? This we left this minor, we go to the another minor. Consider the another 2 by 2 minor. Because we take the first minor, the first minor value become 0. Consider the another 2 by 2 minor. What is another 2 by 2 minor? Here also you take 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. This value also becomes 0. Now we go to 1 0 3 1. See, any one of the minor is not equal to 0 means 2 by 2 minus 0 means that is the rank for this one. So see the first minor also 0. I will see that. See directly you see what is the second minor. First minor 0. See the second minor also 2 3s are 6, 1 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 also 0. So we take the 1 3 0 1 another minor. Among the 2 by 4 matrices we take any one any of the one minor will select it. First minor we selected, that value is 0. We select the another minor. Another minor is what? 1 0 3 1. See directly without a calculation, directly we do 2 3s are 6, 6 are this also 0. We left this minor also. Again we choose the next minor 1 0 3 1. See, I will select minus 1 0 3 1. Consider the another 2 by 2 minor. Determinant of A equal to minus 1 0 3 1. Minus 1 0 minus 3 1. Now see the downward. What is the downward? 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. 3 zeros are 0. Downward. Now take the another 2 by 2 minor. Determinant of A equal to minus 1 0 minus 3 1. So first you down the downward arrow mark. Downward. Minus 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. 3 into 0 is 0. Now we get the one of the number. So equal to minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. This minus 1 is what? Not equal to 0. So consider that 2 by 2 minor value is not equal to 0. One of the 2 by 2 minors is 0. We refer the next minor. Next minor value is what? Not equal to 0. Therefore, what is the rank? Therefore, rank of the matrix is what? 2. So, what is the first step from the question? First, you write the order. Among the order, first find the rank. You try to suggest the rank. Afterward, one by one take the 2 by 2 minor or 3 by 3 minor like that. Here, unable to find the 3 by 3 minor. So, we select all the 2 by 2 minors. All the 2 by 2 minors. First minor is what? Equal to 0. We are unable to find the rank. We take the second minor, second or third minor. Among that one, among the question, you take any of the minor. 2 by 2 minor is selected. See here, this is value is what? Not equal to 0. Therefore, rank is what? 2. Now see the fourth question. First part, fourth question. What is the fourth question? See the fourth question. 1 minus 2, 3. Next what? 2, 4 minus 6, 5, 1 minus 1. This is what is the order. Here the question is, what is the row? How many row? 3 row, 3 column. Therefore, the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. Order of the matrix is 3 by 3. What is the rank? Rank is nothing but what? Rank is nothing but what? Less than or equal to 3. Because 3 row, 3 column, which is the smallest one. Both are 3 having. Therefore, rank is nothing but what? Either 3 or less than or equal to 3. So, here already for the 3 sums, we select the 2 by 2 minor. Here we select the 3 by 3 minor because question itself given the 3 by 3. Now, able to select a square matrix 3 by 3 minor. Now we find the value for determinant A. determinant x. So determinant A equal to, write the question. What is the question here? The given question, write it in the determinant form. So 1 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 6, 5, 1 minus 1. Now we are going to find the determinant value. See, first we take down, we know, remember the determinant, we take 1. 1 means left that row and the column. 1 into row and the column left it, see the box. 4 ones are minus 4, 1 6 is minus 6, already having 1 minus sign, that is nothing but what? Plus 6. Again, plus, first one is plus, next one is what? Minus, next one is what? Plus. So minus into minus what? 2? Plus 2. 2 means what? Left that row as well as that column. Balance is what? 2 ones are what? 2 minus 2. 2 ones are minus 2. See, we left that column, left the row. Balance is 2 ones are what? 2 minus 2. 5 6 are 30 minus 30. Already having one plus. So what? Plus 30. All of you remember the determinant. Again and again plus minus, another one is number is what? 3. Plus minus plus. What is the question here having? Now 30 into 2. What happened? Here what? 3 plus 3. So now 3 into, we left that column as well as row. Balance is what? 2 ones are 2. 5 fours are 20 minus 20. So 1 into minus 4 plus 6 is what? Minus 4 plus 6 is what? Plus 2. 30 minus 2 is what? Plus 28. 28 into 2 is what? Plus 56. Here minus 20 plus 2 is what? Minus 18. Minus 18 into 3 is what? Minus 54. Listen carefully. Here we are first 3 by 3 square matrix. Therefore we consider first the determinant value for 3 by 3 minor. So consider the 3 by 3 minor. You find the determinant value. 2 by 2 minor easily find out a downward arrow mark. 2 by 2 minor is nothing but what? Downward minus upward. 3 by 3 minor is what? You find out each and every element for the first row. 1 into left that row, that column. Minus into minus already plus 2. That column, row is left it. You find the remaining, find the value product. Downward and upward. Again plus 3 into, you left that 3 column. 3, wherever the 3 is placed, you left that column as well as the row. So that column and the rows are left it, whereas balances are 2 ones are 2, 5 fours are minus 20. Now see the calculation. Minus 4 plus 6 is what? 2. Here what? 30 minus 2 is 28. 28 into 2 is what? 56. 2 minus 20 is what? Minus 18. Minus 18 plus 3 is what? Minus 54. What is the value? 2 plus 56 is 58. 58 minus 54 is 4. We get the constant answer. It's not. So this is what? This value is what? Not equal to 0. Therefore, if the determinant value is not equal to 0, rank is nothing but what? 3. Because we find the, consider 3 by 3 minus, that 3 by 3 minus, that determinant value is not equal to 0. Therefore, the rank is 3. Which minus we consider that value is not equal to 0 means that is the rank for you. This is the fourth subdivision. So the first part, fifth subdivision. I will teach each and every sum. Each one is different from others. Go through properly. Write the given question, write it. What is the order of the matrix? 3 row, 4 columns. Therefore, the order is what? 3 by 4. What is the rank? Rank, which is the smallest one? 3 is the smallest one. The rank, easily we say, the rank is less than or equal to 3. That is nothing but, what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 3. Therefore, rank is what? 3 or less than or equal to 3. Here, among that one, we take a square matrix. Which one is that one? Able to find the 3 by 3 square matrix. So, this is, we consider the, therefore, we consider the 3 by 3 minor. Because here, among the 3 by 4 matrix, we are having, consider the one of the square matrix. The biggest square matrix for 3 by 3 minor. Therefore, consider the 3 by 3 minor. So, the determinant value for 3 by 3 minor, we take 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 8, 1, 0. You find what? Determinant value for 3 by 3 minor. So, we know that how to find the determinant. 0 into, do that one, minus 1 into, calculate that one, plus 2 into, we get the result what? 32 minus 32 equal to 0. If consider that the one of the 3, among the question, in the given matrices, we take one of the 3 by 3 minus is 0. Therefore, we are unable to find the rank. So, consider another 3 by 3 minor. See, let's see that one. Consider another 3 by 3 minor. So, you take, what is the 3 by 3 minor? I will take it the 0 to 1. Similarly, you choose any one of the 3 by 3 minor. Suppose the first determinant value be not equal to 0 means 3 is the rank. Here, the first we find the 3 by 1 of the 3 by 3 minor, the value becomes 0. So, consider the another 3 by 3 minor. What is the 3 by 3 minor? I consider it. What is the 3, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, say 0, 4, 3, 8 0 2. We take any one of the 3 by 3 minor. First we take the first 3 by 3 minor, we get the 0 answer. So find the another, consider the another 3 by 3 minor. So you see the determinant value. Determinant value, see the result. We get the determinant value, get the value is what? 6. We know how to find the determinant. So go through that one. So find the determinant value. The determinant value become what? 16. 16 is not equal to 0. So the value, determinant value is not equal to 0. What is the rank? Rank is nothing but what? 3. Here first we find the 3 by 1 of the 3 by 3 minor. The value becomes 0. So we are unable to find the rank. Consider the another 3 by 3 minor. First we consider 3 by 3 minor. That value becomes 0. So consider the another 3 by 3 minor. The value is nothing but what? 16. The 16 is what? Not equal to 0. Therefore the value is not equal to 0 means what is the rank of the matrix? That 3 is the rank. Rank of A is 3. Children, go through each and every sum properly and do in the classroom notebook. Thank you, children.